Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Europe to explore a country rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. That's right, we're talking about Germany. From fairy tale castles to vibrant modern cities, Germany has something for every type of traveler. So grab your notebook, because we're counting down the 10 best places to travel in this incredible country. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the magical Black Forest. This isn't just a place, it's an experience. Imagine dense evergreen forests, charming cuckoo clock workshops, and storybook villages like Triberg and Titisee Neustadt. It's the perfect destination for hikers, nature lovers, and anyone who's ever dreamed of stepping into a Grimm's fairy tale. Don't forget to try a slice of the world-famous Black Forest cake right where it was born. It's a taste of heaven, I promise. Next up, at number 9, we have Hamburg. Known as the Venice of the North, this port city is a marvel of canals, bridges, and stunning maritime architecture. You can explore the historic Speicherstadt, the world's largest warehouse district, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or get lost in the vibrant nightlife of the St. Pauli district. And you can't miss a concert at the Elbphilharmonie, an architectural masterpiece with acoustics that will blow you away. Hamburg is a city that perfectly blends old-world charm with a modern, energetic vibe. Cruising into our number 8 spot is the romantic Rhine Valley. Picture this. You're on a river cruise, gliding past steep vineyard-covered hills, medieval castles perched on every bend, and quaint wine towns calling your name. The stretch between Bingen and Koblenz is particularly famous and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's pure romance and history rolled into one unforgettable journey. Whether you explore by boat, train, or car, the views are simply spectacular. A must-do is visiting the legendary Lorelei Rock. At number 7, we're heading to the beautiful city of Dresden. Often called the Florence on the Elbe, Dresden was almost completely rebuilt after World War II, and its restoration is nothing short of miraculous. The Frauenkirche, with its magnificent dome, stands as a symbol of peace and reconciliation. You can wander through the Zwinger Palace, admire masterpieces at the Old Masters Picture Gallery, and enjoy the city's lively arts and culture scene. Dresden is a testament to resilience and beauty. Coming in at number 6 is Cologne. The first thing you'll see is the colossal Cologne Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece that took over 600 years to complete. Climbing its south tower offers a breathtaking view of the city and the Rhine River. But Cologne is more than just its cathedral. It's a city with a warm, friendly atmosphere, a fantastic Roman-Germanic museum, and a love for its local beer, Klosch. It's a city that welcomes you with open arms and a cheerful spirit. We're halfway through our list. At number 5, we have the enchanting town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber. If you want to feel like you've traveled back in time, this is the place. It's one of the best-preserved medieval towns in Germany. Located along the famous Romantic Road, you can walk along the old town walls, explore the cobblestone streets, and admire the colorful half-timber birdhouses. It's incredibly picturesque, especially during Christmas when its market transforms the town into a winter wonderland. It's pure magic. Our number 4 destination is the vibrant city of Munich. The capital of Bavaria is famous for Oktoberfest, but it's a fantastic destination year-round. You can relax in the huge English Garden, watch surfers on the Eisbach River, explore the grand Nymphenburg Palace, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of the Marienplatz. Munich is a city that effortlessly combines tradition and modernity. And of course, a visit to a traditional beer garden is an absolute must, no matter when you visit. Prost! Breaking into our top 3, at number 3, we have a destination straight out of a fairy tale, Neuschwanstein Castle. This is the castle that inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. And it's easy to see why. Perched on a rugged hill in Bavaria, this 19th century palace is the ultimate fantasy creation of King Ludwig II. The surrounding landscape of mountains and lakes is just as stunning as the castle itself. A tour inside reveals opulent rooms and incredible craftsmanship. It's a truly dreamy experience you won't forget. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the historic and dynamic city of Hamburg. Wait, did I say Hamburg already? My apologies, folks, let's correct that. Our fantastic runner-up at number 2 is actually the magnificent city of Heidelberg. Famous for its old university and romantic castle ruins overlooking the Neckar River, Heidelberg has inspired poets and thinkers for centuries. Stroll down the Philosopher's Walk for stunning views, and soak in the youthful energy of this historic university town. Heidelberg is the epitome of German romanticism and intellectual. It's a place where history confronts you at every corner. From the Brandenburg Gate and the Reichstag building to the remnants of the Berlin Wall. But Berlin is also a city that is constantly reinventing itself. With a world-class art scene, unbeatable nightlife, and a diverse culinary landscape. It's a city of freedom, creativity, and resilience. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a partygoer, Berlin has something for you. It's an essential European destination. So there you have it, our top 10 best places to travel in Germany. Which destination are you most excited to visit?